too much. That's too much. Oh my god, this is gross. That's too much lip gloss. What did I just do, bro? It's too hot outside. It's too hot and I'm tired. I'm tired of the 100-step makeup routines. I don't have time to do a 100-step makeup routine. I want to put my makeup on and leave the house. Is that too much to ask for?
Yeah. All you self-promoters are janky. We established like the Yankees.
What up? It's your girl Nyra. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. Hey, boys and girls, what's up? Now, sis, let me be real with you for a second, okay? It's summer, and my summer foundation routine and my summer everyday makeup routine is better than yours because I'm not putting on 15 layers of makeup and 3 setting powders and then going outside in this heat. So I'm gonna show you how to level up your summer makeup routine like I leveled up my summer makeup routine, because let's just be real, it's hot outside. We don't want to have on too much product. We want to get ready fast because you're doing a lot of stuff in summer. You want to hurry up and get ready and have a routine that's not literally 55 steps. Like, nobody wants to sit down and do a 100-step makeup routine when it's 90 degrees outside and you trying to go outside look cute in your new bathing suit. Nobody wants to have all these makeup steps, okay? You want to get ready in the morning and leave. Audio Jungle. All right, so we are going to start with brows. Typically, I do my brows off camera, but I'm gonna do them on camera for y'all today. My brows are kind of a situation. Allow me to explain. So my absolute favorite brow product in the world is the Anastasia Brow Wiz. Love it to pieces. Ran out of it, and even though it is my favorite product, I have yet to replace it. Please don't ask what's wrong with me. I don't know. That's a really bad habit I have. When I have a product that I really like and then I run out of it, I just don't replace it. Like, there's something, I have a lot of problems. We know this, but there's something wrong with me directly related to that. Like, something psychologically that is off that makes me never replace products that I love, with the exception of my Milani Conceal and Perfect, because I literally can't find a foundation that works that well. But yeah, so what I've been using on a daily basis is the e.l.f. Lock-On Liner and Brow Cream. This stuff is my second best. I don't have much brow hair, but I'm finally at the point where I'm like accepting my brow shape and accepting how much hair I have and just working with it. Before, I used to be trying to change my brow shape and all this, but now I just fill in the shape that I do have and give it more definition, more color, and work with it. The only thing I really kind of add hair is like in the front, because my brows start back here and I kind of start them a little bit further out, but that's it. Everything else I just like leave the same. My favorite foundation in the whole, let's be clear, in the whole world is the Milani Conceal and Perfect, but I have to purchase a darker shade because I'm a little tan right now, you know. Your girl been sitting out by the pool at the beach, so I got a little tan right now. So we're gonna be taking the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation right now because this matches me better. Look at that match. It'll look better when I put it on. Whatever. Oh my god. All right, kind of got foundation everywhere, but that's okay. Let's go ahead and do our foundation. Now, if you guys keep up with my videos, you saw that I had tried the whole no foundation on the forehead thing, and now I will never go back. I'm not putting foundation on my forehead. It's like, who would have thought that such a simple little trick, something as simple as literally avoiding putting foundation on one part of your face, would change your routine. I'm also new to using a brush to blend in my foundation, and I love that too. So 2019 is really like the year of like learning things and like realizing stuff, and we're all just like realizing stuff.
Of just realizing stuff.
I'm over here looking all greasy. Oh my god. It's funny because I have combination skin, but I'm more dry than oily. And I'm looking all greasy on camera right now, but that's okay. Then we gonna fix that. That ain't no problem. That ain't no problem.
That ain't no problem. That ain't no problem. Huh? That ain't no problem. Well,
now we're gonna take the bad B of all concealers, the LA Girl Pro Conceal. I'm sorry, but I fully believe that anybody with a Snatch foundation routine uses this concealer. Now, on an everyday basis, I'm like rushing trying to get out the house, but I don't have to alter anything I do with my concealer because I don't conceal all over my face. I do under eye, nose, and then sometimes chin and in like my philtrum, like my upper lip. And that's it. I don't do forehead. I don't do like the reverse contouring thing under the cheek. That's just not me. I mostly don't do forehead because I don't really need to contour my forehead. I have a smaller forehead, and then when I'm wearing wigs, like I can adjust my hairline anyway. This is the only time in my routine that I use a blending sponge. Isn't that crazy? All right, now I'm gonna show you guys the perfect way to clean your brows. I'm gonna take this, I'm taking this angled concealer brush, and we are going to put our concealer on there. I like to get a really thin one like this. Like this one, it's a little like the bristles are kind of spread a little bit, and it's not perfect, but it's thin, so it's okay. It's not a super thick one, because when it's like a really thick, dense angle brush like this one is, like how dense it is, and it's harder than this one is, it's harder to move the product around. So it's easier to maneuver the product with an angle brush that is thinner. So I'm gonna take this, put the concealer on the tip of it, and just boop, right under the eyebrows. I don't know how people do it with like the harder angle brush, because that makes it so much harder to maneuver the product. But if it works for you, it works for you. This is just what works for me. Powder. I have a love-hate relationship with powder. Baking never works for me, but in the summer, I have to take a little bit of powder. I usually like just do whatever is in the lid. Like I'll tap out the lid like this. Ugh, I'm getting powder on my Adidas pants. Oh my God. White Adidas pants get so dusty so fast. And then I usually do whatever's in the cap. Oh my God, I'm getting Adidas, like I'm getting stuff all over my pants. Just swirl around there in the cap, and only setting what I just did on my under eyes very lightly. I never feel the need to set the rest of my face or my T-zone really. My T-zone only sometimes, but I always set under the eyes because that is what moves on me. That is where my oils like to attack my makeup. I forgot. I've been priming lately, which is new to my routine, but I forgot to put it on. I'll just put it on now. I'm just joking. That'd be terrible. Yeah, I've been priming. This has been the primer I've been using. Because I'm still new to priming, I've been forgetting to mention it in videos, but I do that on an everyday basis also. So my foundation looks smooth now, but it would look 10 times smoother had I used my primer, but that's okay. Daily basis, I'm waking up late for work, like rushing to do my makeup, so only thing I'm contouring is my nose, period. I'm not doing any face contouring. I'm not good at face contouring. Not only am I not good at it, but I don't really feel the need to do it unless I'm like special occasion, like going to a special occasion. So I lied. I use my beauty blender twice in this routine for my under eye concealer and for my nose contouring. I love my nose contoured. All right, my favorite part, don't act new. If you're not new here, you already know this is my favorite part of the routine, blush. We gonna do some blush. I'm taking these two colors, mixing them. I love the way they look together. And I don't do it on the apples of my cheeks. I apply it all along, like above where I would have contoured, because it helps kind of give me that contoured illusion, and it helps sculpt your face, you know, rather than just putting it on like the apples of your cheeks. Also, y'all can't tell like on camera, but in person, when you get close up, I'm looking dry. I need to get some Mario Badescu rose water to be like spraying my face with, because when you get close up, shawty dry. Lips, we keep it simple around here with lips. I do this even with a lot of colorful looks. I take my Kiss Wine lip liner, line my lips, and then I put a clear gloss over. Oh, that's too much. That's too much. Oh my god, this is gross. That's too much lip gloss. What did I just do, bro? All right, my small crisis is averted. What a first world problem. I put on too much lip gloss. Now the last thing is lashes, because don't my eyes look so barren? Every single day, no matter what, I put on lashes. When I don't do a full face of makeup, I do lashes and brows. Lashes are a staple in my life, in my community, in my heart. Lashes are just like a staple for me because lashes give you the most change to your face. Like even without all this makeup on, I put on lashes and like it gives me such a dramatic change. So swear to God, like honest to God, if I'm running out of time doing my makeup at home, I will drive to work and put my lashes on in the bathroom before I begin working. I'm dead serious. So I'm gonna put lashes on off camera and then I'll be back. I mean, I'm just saying, just look at me, bro. Look at me. Look how the lashes have transformed my makeup and my face. I get questions about this. I'm gonna go ahead and address it. No, on a daily basis, I don't do highlighter. I usually only do highlight on a special occasion. Don't really like to highlight much. What? Yes, honey. The sunglasses really just put it over the top. The sunglasses make you look at me and go, now who does this chick think she is? I'll take the sunglasses off so you can get the full effect. Sorry. Thank you guys so much for watching. The look is complete. I am beat and now I'm about to go get something to eat, okay? For real, because I'm so hungry and I have a dance class to go to later. If you guys like this video, leave me a like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Muchos besitos. Bye.
Yeah. All you self-promoters are janky. We established like the Yankees. This whole fucking game thankless. We moving militant, but somehow you the one tanking. No limit to where I could take it. And you know me as a crisp bottle sender, check picker upper. I thought we looked out for one another. Saw us all as brothers in the struggle, too blessed to be humble. I guess it's different in the city I come from. All of a sudden I got